Made a few payments, skipped. No, I wanted to hurt bad.
If you're stuck in your job or some stale relationship, if today always feels like yesterday, well then guess what? You're what needs fixing.
So this book, Reach Me, seems to have transformed your game. Who wrote it?
See, that's the enigma. No bio, nothing. Just a name. Teddy Raymond.
I just got out of prison. There's this man. He wrote this amazing book. I just have this feeling that he needs me.
Why would a best-selling author go into hiding? This is obviously a pseudonym. Then you find this Teddy Raymond. I'll put you in hard news right at the top of the homepage.
We all have fears. Fear of not living up to expectations of yourself.
Can't live the same old life and expect a different result.
You're using the law as a shield.
I can't help it.
When you're on a mission, nothing else matters. You're a finger painting. Be a masterpiece.
Breaking habits aren't that easy. Life isn't that easy.
How many people do you have to kill before you realize it's wrong? Don't you think I want to work for Frank all my life?
I've been trying to get my face a sphere.